I'm going to show you how to make a copy or download a copy of a class resource onto either your Google Drive or your computer. So this is me as a fake student. I have chosen to use AP US History, and I've chosen to use this class material. If you see, this class material is the syllabus. So I open it up, but I can't really edit it here or do anything to it here, and I want to be able to edit it. So you go to open a new window, and preferably do it with Google Docs. So you see how it opens up to a new tab. However, I am not allowed to access it. Do not request edit access, because I will probably not give you edit access, because that means that you will have to change. If you edit it, you would be changing the whole document for everyone. So what you want to do is you want to go to File, and you want to click Make a Copy. You're going to name it whatever you want, and inside of your drive, make sure that you add it to a folder that you will remember where it is. So let's create a new folder. I click down here to create a new folder. I put APUSH, click OK, and now I click Select and Save. And that way I know that it'll be saved in my APUSH folder on my Google Drive. This will open up a new document, and now I will be able to edit it, only for me and not for the rest of the class. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is we're going to go back to where it was that I cannot request access. Let's say you don't want it in your cloud, you want to download it. So you go to download, you go to download as a Word document. It has downloaded onto my computer, and then you can save it anywhere you want on your computer. Will you remember? So you can go as Save As. Right now it's in my download folder and I don't want it there, so I'm going to move it, just for the sake of this presentation, to my documents. And that's how you can save or make a copy of a document so that you can edit it. Do not request editing permissions, because I will not give them to you, okay?